It has long been speculated that the missing culprit in the Vanderbilt rape case was a date rape drug. Now that issue may not even come up when Brandon Vandenberg goes to trial in just a few weeks. Channel 4's Haley Mason has the latest details on these new developments. Haley?
The state may have to change their strategy in the Vanderbilt rape retrial against accused rapist Brandon Vandenberg. The judge just made a significant ruling that this key piece of evidence can't come in, possibly making it harder to prove intent. It was clear from day one of the Vanderbilt rape retrial that the prosecution had planned to say Brandon Vandenberg was not only guilty of rape, but that he drugged the victim first.
Because Mr. Vandenberg is confident she's not going to wake up.
In her testimony in April, the victim placed special emphasis on a blue drink Vandenberg handed to her at the Tin Roof Bar, one of the last things she remembers.
He had it in his hand and he said, out in California, this is our version of the Long Island iced tea, and it's so good. You have to try it. You have to try it.
If the state could prove date rape drugs were involved, that would help prove intent. But that strategy may have to change now, as Judge Monty Watkins has ruled that date rape drugs cannot come up in Vandenberg's retrial. Channel 4's legal analyst Jim Todd.
Everything in the case was consistent with a date rape drug, including Vandenberg's statements, with the exception of TBI didn't find any evidence of it.
Vandenberg's defense attorney didn't want the drugs mentioned, and Judge Watkins agreed, stating evidence wasn't proven.
The date rape drug was a good argument for them, given the color of the drink, given her symptoms that she doesn't remember what happened. And so having that taken away hurts him.
Vandenberg is also not implicated in the pictures and videos the way Corey Beatty and the other defendants are. The jury will mainly hear his voice. Beatty was tried last month. He was found guilty of rape.
We have to remember that Vandenberg is on the video and on the audio, kind of orchestrating the event, directing the event, and there's some pretty damaging text messages that he sends to his friends in California that sort of cement the fact that he is assisting in.
This afternoon, the Davidson County DA's office would only say they received the judge's ruling and they are ready to go to trial. At 5, could a Memphis jury be more harsh than the one from Chattanooga? We'll talk about that next hour. Meanwhile, you can read that full document of the judge's ruling right now on our website, WSMV.com.